So good morning, everyone. Today, I want to talk about the Handy Organic Information System. Uh, as I've been assigned as the business analyst by Handy Organics team, I'm here to provide them some recommendation on the use of the information system and how it's going to solve the current problems. So before I go to the recommendation and the current problems and these and all, I just want to tell a brief introduction to Handy Organics. Actually, Handy Organics is the firm that sells the organic vegetable related product to its customers. Handy Organics got the public attention from the many customers due to the qualitative products. Customers in the farm store were so difficult to manage due to the high volumes because the customers were in a very long queue and it was getting very difficult for Henry to manage those all customers. So then to sort out these all issues, Henry has decided to go online and is seeking some alternatives from me. So I provided some alternatives in this presentation. Some of the advantage of the information system, how it's going to help the Henry business is going to save time and cost. It will attract the clients globally. It will reduce the operational cost. The products will not be now limited to store only. Since it goes online, it can be found everywhere in the internet. And the business also may gain the global attention. Once it's gone online, the business will have a higher chances of getting a global attention. Some of the system capabilities, how is the system going to solve these problems of Henry? Because it's going to maintain the financial word and data entry records. Since the services is gone online, it's going to be accessible 24/7. It will improve the business processes because the data will be well managed and stored. There is some user interface. As mentioned, user interface will play an important role in getting the positive user experience. So the user interface of Hendrix is presented in the next slide. You can see how it looks like. You can see the home button, product button, shop button, about us, and contact us. And the user can, or the customer can shop from the user interface. And this is how it looks like, the about us. Our product, you can see the products, the veggie that Henry Farm, they offer to the customers, so they can order from the product section and they can add to the cart. And there is some contact as well. The contact, how it looks like, there is some numbers and some emails that Henry Farm has, and the customer can easily contact to these numbers to get connected if they have some issues on ordering online. So the user interface, as I mentioned, looks very user responsive to the end user. The interface looks very simple to make it more compatible, and very important thing, the interface should give a positive vibe to the user experience, because they have to the interface looks good, then there is a higher chances of user using it. So testing and implementation, as I mentioned, there are some issues that I experienced during the testing and implementation, because the actual results were not matching the expected one. So I tried multiple ways of testing, and finally I was able to solve the problem, and the system was got functioning. So there's some conclusion to conclude with. The information system will meet all the requirement that the Henry business is struggling to meet it, because they are doing a traditional way of business, now going digital. This will help in structuring the data, structuring and storing the data more systematically, and that will help them to connect to their clients very easily. And since the Henry Farm will go to digital, it will connect to different global customers as well. And it will definitely, once the data has been structured well, it will definitely help to the business to perform better, and the business process will definitely get improved, because once the data records has been managed systematically, there is higher chances of business process getting better and better. So that's it. Thank you very much.